In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video in Card. If you're building a one-page site and want to make it more engaging, adding a video is a great way to do it. We'll move through the process inside Card's editor, and I'll point out a few tips so your video looks and plays the way you expect. Start by heading to the Card website in your browser. On the homepage, choose Open Dashboard. That takes you to your list of sites. Find the project you want to update and open it to launch the builder. You'll see your canvas in the middle and a controls panel along the side. Inside the editor, click Add to open the element picker. From the list, select Video. Card will drop a placeholder onto your page and open the settings panel so you can configure it. This is where you decide how the video is brought in and how it appears. First, choose the type. You can upload a file directly or embed a video that's hosted elsewhere. Upload is useful if you have a small, optimized clip you want complete control over. Embedding is ideal when your video lives on platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, or a similar host because they handle streaming, compression, and bandwidth for you. If you choose Embed, paste the video's URL into the field provided. Use the share link from your hosting platform and make sure the video is publicly viewable or unlisted so it can load on your site. If the preview doesn't appear, double check that the link points to a single video rather than a playlist, and that any privacy settings allow embedding. If you choose Upload, select a supported video file from your computer. Keep the file size modest so it loads quickly on mobile. Short clips in common formats and reasonable resolutions work best. If your file is large, consider compressing it or trimming it before uploading to keep performance snappy. Next, set the thumbnail. You can let Card pull one automatically or upload a custom image. A custom thumbnail helps with branding and can boost clicks. Aim for a clear, high contrast image that matches your site's look and the video's aspect ratio to avoid awkward cropping. When you're happy with the setup, click Done. The video element is now part of your page. You'll see it where it was placed in the layout, ready to play. If something seems off, revisit the settings to adjust the type, link, or thumbnail. And remember, some browsers limit autoplay and sound, so viewers may need to interact before audio plays. That's it, your Card site now features a video ready to capture attention.